Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Wildwood from Forest River. This is the model 27 REIS. It's a rear entertainment model with two opposing slides, super slides in fact. One on this side, one on this side. Gives you all kinds of room in there. A couple of the other features: power hitch jack, diamond shield for protection, and T6 aluminum. Not going to delam on you here, folks, and it's aluminum down the sides too, so it's not going to be a problem. We have locking cargo doors with magnetic fasteners. Even got a work light in here, solar ready. You can just get a ZAMP panel, plug it in, and you're basically off grid. Power awning with an LED light rope behind it, outside speakers, radial entry door. We like those because they don't leak. There's the model 27 REIS. Comes with the solid steps. These are really, and look, this top one is so wide. Coming out of the trailer, it's like a safety thing. It's just much easier. You even have an LED light rope on this awning. So you have two porch awnings. As we walk around to the back, here's a good example of these strong arm jacks. See this brace, basically. When you get your jacks down, you tighten that brace up. This thing isn't moving for anything. Spare tire, rear rack, so you can bring along the bikes or the golf clubs, a raft, that sort of thing. Our outside shower, our plug-ins, comes with a Santa flush. You can clean your black tank out there. But let's go inside. That's where the real treat is on this one. We've been selling Wildwoods for years here. They're made in Oregon. We've had really tremendous success with these, and they hold up for customers really well. I mean, they're not leakers, they're just good trailers. And here it is. Look at this, opposing slides. That slide starts from there, goes almost to the rear. Same over here. Allows us to have a dinette booth here that can make into a table. And I love the way they've colored these countertops with the table and the gray, with the dove gray on the floor. Real neat. Couple recliners here that face the entertainment. That's why they call it a rear entertainment. You have this TV area and your sound bar and electric fireplace right in one spot. Or it could be called a rear living, but they decided to call it a rear entertainment. And we got a sofa bed, makes into a bed. If you back into your campsite, you'll love the view. Hopefully you're not looking at a bunch of trailers like we are today. USB plug-ins, and on both sides. Keep your devices dialed in. They kept that same wood going throughout. Kitchen area. Nice pantry storage. There's silverware drawers. Microwave over the countertop. We have a Furrion oven with 3-burner stove. The exhaust vent and a glass panel cabinet on top. Brushed aluminum Dometic refrigerator freezer. And let's head on back. Here we have the bathroom. New color scheme going on with this, like a simulated tile, linen storage, medicine cabinet, GFI plug-in, our toilet, nice big shower, and fantastic fan over the top. On back to the master bedroom. Step inside, and here we are. We've got a queen size bed. You can approach from both sides. Looks like there's some storage underneath here too. And a bonus, these cargo bins pull out. So instead of lifting the bed or taking the bed apart, you can put your extra stuff in there, and it's just easy to get to. Wardrobes on both sides, overhead storage, and bonus, look at all this room for storage. It's a double opposing slide out 27 REIS. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.